to my channel. I'm Paola, and here I'll be sharing with you EMYoga techniques for health and vitality. Today we're going to do a little bit more practice. We're going to do the hanging, we're going to do the squatting, and we're also going to learn how to trace the spleen meridian, which is the meridian responsible to boost the energies of the immune system. So it provides energy for the immune system. And also the spleen meridian is responsible to the spleen, the organ, stores blood in the body. So the spleen meridian is also responsible to fix anything wrong that is with the blood supply or with chemical imbalances. So with our hands, we trace the meridians, and in that way, we are boosting the energies on the meridians. So we're going to start this practice. We're going to stand in Tadasana, the mountain pose. Feet are going to be hip distance apart. Roll your shoulders back and away from your ears and relax your arms just along your body. You can close your eyes for just a moment. Just breathe deeply in and out. Tuning into your body, tuning into yourself. Noticing how you're feeling. And then we're going to start. Usually we start every EMYoga practice with the EMYoga Wake Up that you have learned already. And we're not going to do on this video because you already have, you can go back to the other videos and do the Wake Up by yourself. We are going to start bringing ourselves into hanging position. So from Tadasana, the mountain pose, you're going to bring your arms up, half like they are all the way up. You can either look up or look forward if that feels better for you. And this is called heaven rushing in. You can give thanks for something in your life right now. You can thank life for all the blessings that you have. And also, this position, you can feel the energies from heaven coming to you. You can either have your eyes closed or open. It's beautiful to do this one in nature, looking up to the stars or to the sky. The clouds, the trees, and the birds. Great, so inhale again, and then as you exhale, you're going to figure 8 in front of your body, for those who have watched my videos before. So we're going to do this again. Figure 8, you're strengthening the auric field, and also weaving the energies of your body together. You're going to turn out to one of your sides, arms go up again, and figure 8 on the side of your body. And you're going to do the other side. Arms go up and figure 8 on the other side of your body. And then inhale again, arms go up, heaven rushing in. Figure 8 all the way down, and you're going to go into a hanging position now. Neck is relaxed, breathe deeply, feet are on the floor. You're going to turn your head from one side of your body to the other, breathing deeply here. Good. If that doesn't feel good to you at all, you can come up slowly on your own pace. Knees are slightly bent, so you protect your lower back. Breathe deeply here. This is very good to release tension from your back, providing space between your vertebrae. And also this is great for to calm the nerve system. Right, so you're going to just swing your body from one side to the other. You can stay on this hanging position for as long as it feels good to you. We're going to stay here for another breath. Great, and then you're going to come down to a squatting position. So when you are on a squatting position, you can either choose to be with your knees together in front of your body, which might be a little bit harder for most people. So if you do prefer having your knees together and you cannot bring your heels all the way down to the floor, you can have a folded mat or a folded blanket or a cushion under your heels. So you can have your heels down, and so you can focus on your hips instead of on your Achilles tendon. If you prefer having your knees a little bit further apart, that's okay too. especially if you're pregnant or if you have big breasts, this is the better position for you. But if you still cannot have your heels down the floor, you can choose to have a folded mat or a folded blanket or cushion under your heels. So that's up to you, whatever feels better for you. Great, so here on the squatting position, once you are in a position that feels good to you, you're going to bring your hands in front of your chest, and then you're going to let your head goes down for just a moment, and you're going to turn your neck from one side to the other. Breathing deeply in through your nose and out through your nose now. Relaxing the back of your neck. And releasing tension from the back of your neck now. And then you can bring your head forward again. Good, if that feels good to you, this squatting position is great as a hip opening position, and you're also massaging your internal organs, helping with digestion. You can either bring now your both hands to the floor, keeping your left hand on the floor and your right arm goes up. And you're going to circle one wrist to one side and to the other. If that doesn't feel good to you, you can have your hand on the knees, or you can keep both hands in front of the body now. Otherwise, you can have your arm up and you're going to flick one finger at a time, activating the meridians that start and finish on your fingers. And then all of them together. And then you're going to weave the energies together in figure eights all the way down to the floor. This hand goes to the floor and opposite arm goes up. Same thing, circle the wrist to one side, circle the wrist to the other side, flick one finger at a time, and all of them together. And then you're going to figure eight all the way down to the floor, weaving the energies together. Bringing your hands in front of your chest. You can stay here for just one more breath. You can stay here on the squatting position as well for as long as it feels good to you. It's a great position for flexibility on your hips and also to massage your internal organs. Now we're going to trace the spleen meridian as we go up. So you're going to have your hands on the floor. You're going to massage your hips, just going from one side to the other. And then you're going to have your feet and your heels down to the floor, bringing your buttocks up. And we're going to trace the spleen meridian. Bringing your hands on the outside of your big toe, and then bringing your hands all the way on the inner side of your feet, coming to the ankle bone. Bringing both hands on the inner side of your legs, passing the groin, side of the body, past the armpit, and massage the side of the body. We've done this on the EMYoga Wake Up. So this side of the body is the end of the spleen meridian. So you know already this point. And then you're just going to shake your hands and just relax your arms here for just a moment. Close your eyes, stay in Tadasana, the mountain pose. And feel your body now. Notice how you're feeling after this short practice. Breathing in and out through your nose. If you need to breathe out through your mouth, that's okay. And then you can open your eyes. And here, it's just a short practice that you can do over and over again. Starting with the wake up and then continue doing the figure eights, coming into hanging position to calm the nervous system, to relax the back muscles and the spine, and also to free the spine. Going to squatting position to free up the hip muscles and to have your hip muscles more flexible, and also helping with digestion. And also you're tracing the spleen meridian in the end as you come up. So you are boosting the immune system because the spleen meridian is responsible to bring energy to the immune system and is responsible for blood supply and also correct chemical imbalances and blood supply in the body. So that's very good for today. Thank you for joining me, and hopefully you like this practice. And let me know how you're feeling after the practices on the comments, and I will be answering you if you have any questions. Thank you very much for joining me today, and namaste.